Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Dancehall artist Charlie Black recently wrapped his performance in Israel. The party animal DJ performed at Tel Aviv, where he delivered hits such as Nicest, Hoist and Wine, as well as his biggest hit, Party Animal, among others. This marks Charlie's third time performing in Israel to a sold-out crowd. Charlie's hit track Party Animal is certified diamond in Panama, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Belize, Guatemala, and in the United States. The Party Animal video has amassed 212 million views on YouTube. The remix lyric video featuring Daddy Yankee and Louis Fonsi also gained over 60 million views on the streaming platform. Charlie Black recently released the single Ligament, which features dancehall artist Gage and upcoming dancehall artist Renee 630. Now, dancehall DJ DeMarco is celebrating the success of his latest single dubbed Till My Time Come. The track has gained over 1 million views on YouTube. The single, which was released under his True Gift Entertainment label, has been getting rave reviews from dancehall fans since the video was released. DeMarco got his big break back in 2007 with the hit song Fallen Soldiers. He was later signed by Koch Records and released his full-length debut album. DeMarco is popularly known for the hit songs Puppy Tail and Fallen Soldier, as well as I Love My Life. Now, reggae artist Chronix has teamed up with Anderson .Paak band Free Nationals on the track titled Eternal Light. The track is described as a melodic mix which fuses their sounds to ripping bass guitar while Chronix delivers his effortless flow. Eternal Light is the third track from National's upcoming album of the same name. Chronix is gearing up to be featured in England for a concert at Arena Birmingham. He will be joined by supporting act reggae sensation Coffee for the event, which is slated for November 10. Now, back in 2018, Chronix sold out London's Alexandra Palace, which attracted 10,000 fans. His presence in 2019 was also felt through his impactful tour of Uganda and the United States. Chronix also made stops in Europe, where he was promoting his 5th anniversary Dread and Terrible project.
Baby girl just text me, says she coming home.
Now, on the international scene, the upcoming Aretha Franklin biopic titled Respect cast have been released. American singer Jennifer Hudson is set to play the late Detroit singing legend. The film will also see Forest Whitaker playing the role of her father, while Marlon Wayans will appear as her first husband, Ted White, and Mary J. Blige as Dina Washington. Aretha Franklin was involved in putting together the film before her death in August 2018. Respect will chronicle her rise to fame during the 1960s and 70s and her abusive marriage to Ted White. Now, the PAN 2019 finals is slated to happen this Sunday at Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne. The event, celebrating 15 years, will see 28 competitors, including 2 wild cards, showcasing their culinary skills at the event, which is hosted by CB Foods. The event will also feature performances from Agent Sasko and Taurus Riley. PAN 2019 finals will be hosted by comedian Duffton Duffy Shepherd and broadcaster Miss Kitty. The finals will be broadcast live on RETV starting 1 p.m. That's it for the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.